Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is your...
I'm pretty excited.
Photo News Fix. This fix is brought to you by Artlist. If you've ever wondered where your favorite creators find fresh, unique music and sound effects for their videos, wonder no more, because they're probably all using Artlist. Oh, and so are the new creators you may not have heard of just yet. They're using Artlist as well. With over 80,000 songs and sound effects, you're never gonna run out of unique and fresh songs as well as sounds. And guess what? It's super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You can search for songs by mood, video theme, genre, instruments, and more. And when it comes to sound effects, you've got everything from epic transitions to water to fire and even the wonderful sounds of boings and dings. For example, I live in Philly, so what's more Philly than this sound effect? And then this song. Exactly! There's so much to choose from, and it's super easy to find something great. For more information and to get 2 months free when you sign up for a year membership, head on over to bit.ly/FroArtlist. First up, might we be seeing a new compact Sony camera soon?
Just every month.
Well, according to the often wrong but never in doubt Sony Alpha rumors, the answer is yes. But the reason they got this one right is Sony put up a teaser video that premieres on May 23rd at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I'm not sure about you, but if I had to guess, and this is only a guess based on the silhouette, but it looks like a ZV-style vlogging camera with me behind it. Wow, that's gonna be a massive camera if that's my head there in the top of the photo. Now, Sony Alpha rumors didn't have any specs to share, so that means we should probably guess some based off of this image. It's gonna be a vlogging camera. It will have a hot shoe. It will have a flip-out rotatable screen. It will have a lens with a shutter button, battery, card, and probably no viewfinder. The moral of the story, we'll know more on May 23rd. What do you think it will be, and do you even care?
No.
Next up, remember last year when PENTAX said they were working on making a film camera? And I probably said something like, what's wrong with you people? Film is stupid. Now, you guys know my thoughts on kids shooting film these days, then scanning the film, tossing a filter on it, all before posting it online and telling people how amazing film is. Yeah, I've been outspoken about that for a little while. Well, we now have more information. We found out the camera will not be a successor to the PENTAX 6.7 or LX, but will be a compact camera with a fixed lens. Takeyo Suzuki, who's a member of Ricoh's product development team, had this to say. The camera that Ricoh is currently working on are compact cameras with fixed lenses that cannot be replaced. It will be a very important model only for the first film camera in this product. Although there are some parts that have been reused, we are considering almost completely new ones. Is this where I release an epic rant on film shooters?
No.
No, because maybe they're actually onto something. They said something along the lines of they want to make something young users can enjoy that's fun and easily transportable. And who am I to poo-poo all over that?
How about a courtesy flush?
Look, if the youngins today want to waste money shooting, developing, scanning, and posting their subpar snapshots on TikTok or Instagram, so be it. Who am I to say film is stupid? Oh, you know, just a guy with a gold plaque like this. But for real, if you're interested in shooting film, get a fully manual PENTAX K1000 and go to town setting all of your settings and learning. Or wait for PENTAX to release a fully manual SLR, or do what I just did. I bought a PENTAX K1000 from Ellen's Camera used. That's right, a fully manual camera that I'll never use because film is stupid.
Opinions vary.
Look, if you want to be lazy and go for the perception of cool, get this new PENTAX point and shoot that will do all of the work for you. All you need to do is this. Anyway, we talk more about this and other news stories on the latest episode of FroKnowsPhoto Raw Talk, our podcast that is out right meow. And finally, Canon and Amazon.com Inc. have jointly sued, well, Amazon.com.
Isn't that weird?
Weird, I know, but bear with me. As many of you know, there's a lot of counterfeit products sold on Amazon. In this case, Canon and Amazon are suing 29 selling accounts for selling camera batteries and chargers in their Amazon stores, alleging infringement of Canon's trademark. Basically, these people are selling counterfeit products. The issue is people think they are buying the real deal things, and they end up with some garbage product that they think Canon sold them. So they get pissed at Canon when in fact it's not Canon's fault. That's why for the longest time I've recommended only buying genuine first-party batteries from a reputable store like Allen's Camera, B&H, Adorama, Sammy's, and probably Best Buy, and other local reputable stores.
Locally?
Now, on a side note, don't let the stores try and sell you an OEM third-party battery that they say works just as well because it came off the same factory but it just is made by someone else, because in my experience they just don't work as well. Spend the extra bucks on a real genuine battery, and that means from Nikon, Canon, Sony, Panasonic, so on and so forth. Now, Amazon needs to do a better job of policing their own marketplace. For example, I know a camera store who used to sell products in the marketplace. They would list the product, send the product to the warehouse, and wait for it to sell. But what happened next was a major problem. The product sold and was returned as a counterfeit, which meant not only were they out the sale, the money from that, but they were also out the product as well, even though they sent a genuine product in.
Man, this is some bullshit!
What happens is it gets clumped together with the same product that's sent in by other people who are selling stuff on Amazon. So when something actually does get sold, it's like a random mishmash of a crane arm coming down and picking one. And if they pick the counterfeit one that someone sent in and it goes against your account, you're screwed. The moral of the story is be very careful when you purchase stuff on Amazon from their marketplace. You might not be getting the genuine article, and you might be screwing a real deal store. And there you have it, Jared, Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.